Hi guys, in this tutorial I'll teach you how you can integrate Gmail with monday.com. So you can automate a lot of tasks by integrating Gmail to monday.com, and all you have to do is on the top right corner here is a button that says automate, or you can select this button that says integrate. So you can press this integrate button and you get a lot of apps, but if you see under integrations it gives us four options like Gmail, Slack, calendar. Here we have to select Gmail, and then we have a lot of options like when a status changes to something, we can send an email automatically. When a column changes, it can send an email. When an email is received, it can create an item. For this tutorial, let's just go add this one to board. Make sure you have selected the correct board, and you can add any automation or integration. Alright guys, now it is asking you to connect your Gmail, so just press this connect button and it will give you the option to connect your Gmail account with monday.com. Alright guys, once you connect your email, it is very simple. It will just ask you to enter your email address, and once it's done, you will get this option. Here you can select status, like which status you want to monitor. In my case, I want to monitor priority, and now when the priority changes to like let's say high, so when the priority changes to high in my board, I want to send an email with following text. Hello, I want to send this email. I can actually add the items if I like, but I'll just keep it as it is. I can send this email hello with subject hi. I will add it and I'll send it to anybody. I can send it to myself, like, and I can then press this button which is called add to board, and that's it guys. In this way we have integrated Gmail with monday.com, and now our changes in monday.com will be automatically sent to Gmail. So guys, that's how you automate your monday.com with Gmail. I hope this tutorial was helpful. We'll see you in the next one. Thanks.